Bonjour à tous! Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre la conjonction en français. Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn conjunction in French. On va aussi apprendre comment on peut former la phrase en utilisant la conjonction. We are also going to learn how to frame a sentence using conjunction. Bonjour et bienvenue à French Acharya. Hello and welcome to French Acharya. La conjonction est un mot ou un groupe de mots utilisé pour relier deux mots ou deux phrases. So the conjunction is a word or group of words used for connecting two words or two sentences. Par exemple, je mange du chocolat et des bonbons. I eat some chocolate and some sweets. So here we have conjunction A, which is connecting two words, that is chocolate and sweets. Now the other example is je vais au jardin s'il fait beau. I'm going to the garden if it is pleasant. So here we have two sentences. Il y a deux phrases. So the first sentence is je vais au jardin and the other sentence is il fait beau. So it is, if we want to connect both the sentences, I will be using conjunction C. I'm going to the garden if it is pleasant. Je vais au jardin s'il fait beau. So we are making two sentences, one sentence by using conjunction. So let us learn the different types of conjunctions in French. So the first conjunction is ou, that is or. I'll give you some examples. Tu achètes un ballon ou une batte. You buy a ball or a bat. So here we are connecting two words, ball, bat, with the conjunction ou, that is or. Nous allons à Paris ou à Lyon. We are going to Paris or to Lyon. So here ou, that is the conjunction which means or, is connecting Paris and Lyon. Now the third example is il dort ou il joue aux cartes dans sa chambre. He is sleeping or he is playing cards in the bedroom. So here we are connecting two sentences by the conjunction ou, that is or. The first sentence is il dort and the second sentence is il joue aux cartes dans sa chambre. So we are connecting these two sentences by using the conjunction ou. The other conjunction is a, which means and. Par exemple, tu bois du coca et tu prends du sandwich. You drink some coke and you take some sandwich. So here we have two sentences. The first sentence is tu bois du coca and the other sentence is tu prends du sandwich. So how to make these two sentences one sentence? We will add a conjunction, that is a. So it will be you drink some coke and you take some sandwich. So we are connecting these two sentences by the conjunction a, that is and. The other example is il est petit et gros. He is small and fat. So here petit, gros, these are the two words and we are connecting these two words by the conjunction a. Il est petit et gros. He is small and fat. Quand. Quand means when. Now this is the third conjunction, quand. Par exemple, on porte un parapluie quand il pleut. We wear an umbrella when it rains. So here, when is the conjunction which is connecting two sentences. The first sentence is on porte un parapluie. We wear an umbrella. And the other sentence is il pleut. It rains. So we are connecting these two sentences to make one sentence by using the conjunction when, that is quand. I repeat, on porte un parapluie quand il pleut. We wear an umbrella when it rains. The other example is Je me sens bien quand tu m'encourages. I feel good when you encourage me. I'll repeat. Je me sens bien quand tu m'encourages. I feel good when. So this when is the conjunction. It is connecting two sentences. I am feeling good. This is the first sentence. And the other sentence is you encourage me. So these are the two sentences and we are connecting by the conjunction quand. I am feeling good or I feel good when you encourage me. Je me sens bien quand tu m'encourages. Si. Si is the conjunction which means if. If there is a pronoun il, we will use S apostrophe instead of si. I'll repeat. See, there is a conjunction si which means if. But if we are using il after si, si will become S apostrophe. Now the examples are il ne peut pas assister au mariage s'il est malade. So we all can see. The first sentence is he cannot attend the marriage. And the second sentence is he is sick. So the connection will be he cannot attend the marriage if he is sick. So if is the conjunction. Now we all can see it is written il, which is starting with I. So we will be putting S apostrophe. Okay. Now the other example is on va au pique-nique s'il fait beau. We're going to the picnic if it is pleasant. So here again we go to the picnic if it is pleasant. We have the conjunction si which is connecting two sentences. On va au pique-nique, first sentence. Il fait beau, second sentence. So we are making these two sentences one sentence by using conjunction si. Parce que. The meaning of parce que is because. Now the example is Clarissa réussit dans l'examen parce qu'elle travaille dur. Clarissa succeed in exam because she worked hard. So here we have first sentence as Clarissa réussit dans l'examen. And the reason, that is the second sentence, is elle travaille dur. She worked hard. So in order to make these two sentences one sentence, we will be using conjunction parce que. Now we all can see L is starting with a vowel E. So we will be using parce que QU apostrophe. Yes, we won't be using QUE but QU apostrophe as the next word is starting with the vowel E. Okay, so what is the meaning of mais? Yes, mais, that is but. And but is also the conjunction. So let's see the example. Elle est intelligente, mais elle n'a pas de travail. She is intelligent, but she does not have work. So here we have two sentences. Elle est intelligente, she is intelligent. And the other sentence is, she does not have work. Elle n'a pas de travail. Now we are connecting these two sentences. She's intelligent, but she does not have work. Right. So mais is the conjunction which means but. Puis. The meaning of puis is then. So if we have to, let's say, tell our daily routine, we do this, then that, we are using the conjunction puis. So let's see the example. Tu finis ton devoir, you finish your homework, puis tu peux jouer. Then you can play. So here we have two sentences. You finish your homework and after that, that means then you can play. So here we are using conjunction puis to frame two sentences and make them one by using the conjunction puis. Then. Okay, so the last conjunction is donc, which means therefore. Let's see the example. J'ai mal aux dents, donc je vais chez le dentiste. So here, the first sentence is j'ai mal aux dents. I have toothache. So that is the reason. Donc, Je vais chez le dentiste. I go to dentist. So I have toothache, therefore I'm going to the dentist. So here donc is the conjunction which is forming or which is connecting two sentences. J'ai mal aux dents, first sentence. Je vais chez le dentiste, second sentence. Let's connect these two sentences. J'ai mal aux dents, donc je vais chez le dentiste. So donc is the conjunction. Merci. If you like this video, do subscribe our channel French Acharya, and yes, don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Merci. Au revoir.